Too technical. I'm back again with another video, and today I don't know how to pronounce it, but the Waawo or Waawo, however you want to say it. I actually picked this up off of Amazon yesterday. This is a PTZ 2K webcam. So they have two different ones. So they have the 2K and then the 4K one. I originally had the 4K in my cart, but then I switched over and was like, let me do 2K because I will not be really recording or doing any kind of live streaming in 4K just yet. So I got this one. This is the 2K. I'm going to show you how much this webcam will cost you if you wanted to pick it up for yourself to test out or try out. So pretty much this is Waawo or Waawo, I don't know how to say it, but this will run you $49 on Amazon. This is what it looks like if you pick up the 2K one. Now the 4K one that I originally had, that one was $99 and some change, so $100 something, but I didn't need 2K. This will go up to 780p. You will see, this is the box. You can open it up like so, and you are greeted with two remotes. They put two remotes in there. Why, I don't know. Maybe one is for backup, but you do get two remotes just sitting in there, just like so. So these are the two remotes here. Then you are greeted with your instruction manual right here. This kind of looks like that iBot, the OBot thing, but it's not. You do get a cloth, carrying cloth that says their name on there and a blue logo. Then you are greeted with your camera, and it comes with the tripod. So I'm gonna take out the tripod right now. So this is a nice sturdy tripod, little tripod for your tabletop. That's something that you're into. I already have plenty of these, but this is what it comes with. Comes with this tripod, so you can connect the camera to here if you wanted to. Then you get another little cold shoot or mount, whatever you want to call it, right here. Another little, hold on, let's see here. Oh, this is so you can connect this to your computer or your monitor. This is so you can connect it to your computer or your monitor. That's good that they sent that. Then you get your USB dongle, USB to USB-C dongle right here. As you can see, this is what that is. Then you will take out your little camera. Well, pretty much not, it's not that little at all. It does look nice. It is plastic. It doesn't really have any weight to it, but this is what the camera will look like. This is your power button on the back. I'm sure this is how you cut the camera on, and then this is your USB. You can use this with your computer or with a phone because it comes with that USB adapting cable right here. Comes with another cable to where you can just plug it in and use it with a smartphone if you would like to do that. Then on the bottom here, this is where you could put your tripod, or if you do not plan on using this on a tripod, then you can screw in this here, because this will actually detach to your monitor, because this is a webcam. But I don't have to connect it to the monitor. I can also just use this to record me making YouTube videos or TikToks, because it clearly said that. But it would just sit up here like this if I wanted to sit that up there. That is how that would look. I actually like it. It's kind of big though. It's kind of big. It's neat. But overall, this is what the device looks like. Not too bad, not too bad, not too flimsy. It's plasticky, but it's not too bad at all. In the next clip, I will show me using this and trying to set it up. So just bear with me and I'll be right back. Stuck here too technical, so This is the quality of the Waawo 2K camera. So right now I currently have it connected to my OBS, and I am recording this video straight from the camera itself, connected up there. So pretty much I just wanted to get on here and show you the kind of quality that you would get if you had this kind of camera. It looks real good to me. I'm supposed to be able to change things around with the remote. As you can see, I'm moving it around. Let's get back. Okay. Oh, as I move it, the camera is moving. As I move the remote, as you can see, the camera is shifting, and I really do like that a lot. And then I can click and it'll pop up different settings, and it has an AI feature. As you can see on the camera here, it has an AI feature. On the remote. This is really, really cool, because as I move it around, the camera is actually moving with me. I can move it up. I can move it up and down. Hit OK to lock it. But this is really, really cool. But pretty much I just wanted to come on here and show you what this will look like if you were going to record a video just like me that I'm doing right now. The quality is really nice. And like I said, this one cost me $45. This is the 2K version. I currently have the 4K version, but I didn't need that. To me, this looks really, really good. So if I wanted to do some live streaming, or if I just wanted to record a video for my YouTube channel, I can do that. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.